How to use the Add Yours template sticker on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner, or you can just swipe it to your left and then click any picture over here. Now in order to add the story or add the template, you must click a picture. So here I'm gonna just click a plain black picture over here. After clicking on it, you can see different menu at the top of the screen. Tap on the sticker icon over here. So just tap on sticker icon and here you'll be able to see the option of add yours in the options. So just tap on add yours and here you have successfully added yours template sticker on Instagram story. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.